Hello people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minalkhona. We have started with the series of QuickBooks Accounting Software. Today we are going to see how to add a bill and pay a bill on QuickBooks Online. Now, after you log in on your home page, here you're going to see your option of add bill. Add your bills from here. And my next option would be I can click on new and I can add a bill here. In my suppliers, I have an option here of a bill. So I can either add it from the home page directly or I can go to the new button. Now, the bill which you want to record, who is your supplier? So my first, either I can add a supplier from the screen or I have a created supplier. I can create several creditors from here. Terms of payment, what is the bill date? What is the due date? If you want to change the due date, you can change the due date by changing the terms. So I have net 15, that is 15 days, 30 days, 60 days. What is the bill number? So let's give a bill number. Now, what is the category? That is, what are the expenses for which you want to book a bill? So choose your expenses for which you want to book a bill, or you can even add new, meaning create a new ledger of your expenses, give your description of expenses here, and here I can give a amount. Say I have given 7,000. In the same bill, if I have several expenses, I can add those expenses here. I also have an option to add lines here. Write down the memo. So related to this transaction, I can write down what kind of expenses are you booking. So being telephone expenses recorded. So right now I'm just booking the entry. I can attach the bill here. So you can just scan the copy and you can have the scanned copy at all times attached here. And your entry is complete. You can also make this entry a recurring entry if you think that this particular amount is constant every month or on a regular basis. I can convert this into a template, which would be a recurring entry, and the entry would be recorded on whatever date and date you want it to be posted in the system. I'm saving this entry. Now, after saving this entry, meaning I have added a bill, I need to pay for that bill. So I can come here, I can say pay from here, get paid or pay. So here I have an option in the suppliers and I can start paying from here. I have an option here 7,000. I can see the entry which I have just recorded and I have an option to make payment here. Right now, I also have an option of this on the home page. So if I come back to the home page, here you can see the option of pay bill. If you click on the pay bill, directly you will be able to see all the entries which you have booked as bills and for which you need to make payment of. Suppose you see more than one entry, just write the amounts for which you are making a payment of. From which payment account are you making the payment? Is it a bank account, cash account? On what date do you want to record this entry? What is the reference number? And here I can write down the amount of which I'm going to make a payment. So either you're making a full payment or a partial payment. So say I'm making a full payment. I can say 7,000. You can add a partial amount too and save. And the entry is saved. Here now all my bills are paid. So I have no bills. If I want to go back and see the entry, I can see the entry. I can go to get paid, suppliers. Here I can see Vodafone mobile expenses. And here you will be able to see your full ledger. In this way, you can book your bills and you can make payments for your bills. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.